Welcome to the Landon Custom Bra Repair Studio. Plug in our bench grinder here. Fire this baby up. Wrong plug. Anyway. Cool. There you go. Fire this thing up. Under wires. Dry them right off. Individually round off all the edges and burrs. Okay, nice. Smooth, baby. Okay. Now that we've gotten all the little burrs and things off that would poke your beautiful titties that I'm so fond of, pop our flex seal open here. This is just for you. With my beautiful knife you gave me here. Should probably use a screwdriver, but oh well. I noticed they put two different colors on here, so you know which end goes which way, because they have a different shape to them. The freaking lid don't like coming off. Okay. And this end was white, and I have white flex seal. So let's go whoop. And it looks like it just came out of the titty factory. I'll set them on my little burnishing tool here to dry. Once I get them both finished. There you go. Look at that. Now my baby will have her bra back. Love you. Mwah.